Baby, it's cold outside.
Oh wait, it's the...
Good morning. I am on my way to school and it is 7:05. This angle is a little bit crazy. Today should be more of an interesting day. Today is what is called news broadcasting. So I obviously can't like just set the camera up and let it go and you can watch the whole thing, which would be fun because funny things happen, but I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to do that. Anyways, it's my news broadcasting class. So I am one of the hosts of the show, and we basically put on a live show, 3 hits, one at 10, I think it's 10. Oh, excuse me. One at noon and then one at 2:30. So yeah, so that'll be school. That's all we will do today. But I'm gonna be working on. I worked on a reporter package for one of the shows, so I'm gonna be busy doing that this morning. Ooh, this lipstick has like oil all over it. And then after school, I am getting my hair done, which I'm very, 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 very excited about because my roots, in this light you can't see, but my roots are really bad. My hair just feels like it needs a good color. The person that did my hair before, it was just like I walked into this salon like, oh, can somebody do my hair? And I paid for you know, you can pay for levels of salon experience. I paid for the top one and she did not know what she was doing. Literally, like my hair has never looked this bad. The color I don't like. She didn't go right to the root. It was just very drab. And so for me, I'm just like, no way. So I'm getting that all fixed tonight, and I don't know what else I have lined up, but I am majorly tired. I didn't go to bed till like almost 1, I think. From homework to editing, and I had to be up at 6, which I know is not like 5 hours is not the worst, but I have to be very on today, so I need coffee, but I need to get there first before I get coffee. Anyways, I will see you there.
Shrunk in the wash.
I hate that feeling. You're gonna rip like your pants.
Oh my god.
Pass is a go.
Okay, you want to time me?
I'm not gonna do that one.
Okay.
Start for the next one. I'll show it to me.
Okay.
Alright, start there. And I stop between each thing.
Gender-based violence is an issue around the world. Sheridan is participating in the global 16 Days of Activism campaign to take action against violence towards women. Tomorrow is the National Day of Remembrance and Action on the Violence Against Women. The Davis campus is holding memorial tomorrow at 11 a.m. to honor the 29th anniversary of the Montreal school massacre of 14 young women. Ooh, that was a lot to say. No, that wasn't your fault. It was just, that was a lot of words.
1, go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Oh wait, it's the Okay.
Okay, next one.
Oh no, we're good.
Oh, okay.
We're using video.
Her friend.
Montreal shooting. And then she's gonna see if you have.
Look at her hair.
Okay, I'm gonna hold off on that. And then gas line.
We're in the editing suite. Oh, I'm not even supposed to have coffee in here. Whoops. Okay. Here's my paper edit. Let's read your story. Wait, what story is this for?
Well, I was gonna do the shooting, but I guess Corey's doing it tonight.
What are you doing?
I made it to your YouTube video.
Yeah, obviously you don't watch my videos.
Can't say I did.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, friend.
Darling.
Oh, wow, the cameras are actually on. You cut your hair. I love it. I love it. Ooh la la. We had a good show. I did a 1-minute hit. Why is this so zoomed in? And now I'm gonna be working on the 3rd show that I will be reporting on. So I gotta record some voiceovers, and yeah, and that'll be it. Get a little bit of a break. This is kind of my day, and yeah, it's really cool in here. Give you a little tour. So that's where I sit for the show. Cameras. These are RoboCams. And then that's our classroom, the newsroom, and then we go over here into the control room. Control room. Where everyone is.
Just a little bit up, a little bit.
10 seconds till
Hi,
rehearsal.
babes. Hi.
Can you like when we get back in here? We're about to start.
7,
How was that?
6, 4, 3,
Oh, I'm ready.
2, 1.
Take 4. Ready, 1.
Hello and welcome to the Sheridan Sun. I'm Lauren Blythe.
And I'm Shane Lara. Here's your morning news.
Pizza day. Ooh, but you can't have it. Yummy. I'm back in the news. Well, this is not the newsroom. This is the studio, working on the 2nd show. Why is it so zoomed in? Working on the 2nd show. Figuring things out. And we go live in like an hour. I should probably touch up my makeup. Long day. Long day. I'm home from school now. Well, I'm not home. I am finished school. It is 4 o'clock and I am going to get my hair done. Look at these roots. Can you believe this? My hair has been growing really fast, which is awesome. But I just really want like a touch up. I don't even need a trim, just a little touch. So I just went, and I'm a little bit early, so I just grabbed a little coffee, and yeah, so nothing too much to report. I'm so looking forward to getting my hair done. It's one of those things, like, honestly, I felt like I needed to get my hair done the moment after I got my hair done the last time, because she just did such a terrible job. And I don't mean to speak so badly of this person. She probably can do certain types of hair really well, just she did not know blonde very well. Anyways, it was a great day at school. We did a great show and I was really happy with it. So I feel very happy and accomplished, and tomorrow is my last day of the week. I'll go to school and then I'll go to my internship, and then next week is my last week of school. It's mostly like an exam, a final assignment to hand in, and then we're doing a live show at the Toronto Christmas market. So that'll be fun. So this is like, it's coming to an end. First semester of my final year. Done. Anyways, let's go get my hair done. Okay, it's kind of dark in here, but my hair looks so good. I am so happy to be like blonde again, and she does such a good job. She fixed the issues that I had, and it just looks so good. I'm in my room because Andrew's on the phone and I'm whispering. That's why I'm showing you in this light. I didn't film at the salon because literally we were just talking and laughing the whole time, so I didn't really want to like pull out my camera. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Look, he's such a creeper. What? Hello? You want to come in here? Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in here? Do you? Do you need to go outside? Oh, hi baby. Hi. Oh, you're such a little, oh, this is new. This is new. Hi. I missed you too. Andrew is on a call. He's been on a call for quite a while. So I decided to just, I'm wearing my robe because I'm cold. I still have my clothes on. I decided to make like this, like kind of this dinner of whatever we had. So I have the rice, sesame oil, soy sauce, and I have these frozen veggies and chicken, so I cooked them up. And I'm gonna cut them really fine. And then I'm gonna make like a fried rice. And so I'm gonna put the eggs in, and yeah, hopefully it'll be good. It's just, I don't really want to go out, and we don't need to eat takeout. It's been busy with school, so I've eaten a lot of takeout, so I just don't want to like do that. So I'll just eat whatever, just make whatever we have here. Dinner is served, so it's kind of like a vegetable chicken fried rice. And for not really having a recipe or a plan, I think it's pretty good. So I ate dinner and I've been working on work stuff and school stuff. So I'm gonna end the vlog here so that I can go to bed because I have school tomorrow. I promise that my vlogs are gonna get less about school and more about Christmas. I'm just very immersed in busy with school right now. So yeah, this weekend will be fun. Anyways, thank you again so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed these videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video.